With Gladiator 2 hitting theaters this week, there is only one way we can say this. The OnePlus 13 gets a massive thumbs up from the audience in the arena. The vote is already strongly in favor of the new flagship, with almost half of voters expressing interest and almost a quarter more being excited, but still waiting to see the reviews first. It's pretty telling that complaints about either the hardware or the software barely made the chart. OnePlus has been at this a long time now, and it knows just what its fans want. There were some concerns about the camera quality, the telephoto lens in particular, since OnePlus changed up the hardware. However, these are questions that will have to wait for the review. There were also questions about the prices in global markets. Alas, OnePlus is holding off on announcements about the global rollout. We might have to wait until January for that, as was the case with the OnePlus 12. This is the situation with other Snapdragon 8 Elite and Dimensity 9400 phones right now. They're already available in China. Everyone else has to wait. Of course, some people are waiting on other news from OnePlus, like the unveiling of the OnePlus Open 2, for example. There might be a OnePlus 13 or 2 in the future.